Hello artists, welcome back to my channel Artist Castle by Sri. So in this video we are going to learn our new watercolor painting technique of making beautiful colorful clouds and stunning sunset, also a beautiful silhouette of a horse. So we are going to make this on A5 sheet. So I'm here using with A5 watercolor paper from Canson brand, so it's 300 GSM. Also watercolor paint, so it is half pan set from Himi brand, and it goes with 24 shades. So the brush I'm going to use is mop brush. So I have just taped down on all the four corners, and firstly I'm just going to make a basic sketch of the heart, so that will be easy for us to make a silhouette. So after making the sketch we'll be painting the background, and finally with this sunset scenery, then farm fields. Here I'm just making with a basic sketch of hearts. So with my pencil I'm just going to build up the heart silhouette using the shapes, the basic 2D shapes are enough, and just make up the basic sketch. So I'm starting with the center of the front face of the horse, and then it's like facing towards the right, so face goes to the right. And for that I'm using the triangle shape, and for this front part I'm using the circle shape. So behind it's going to be with the legs, so legs should be little broad, and it goes ends linear. So we should not make it completely broad or completely linear, so that's important. Yeah, and for the hairs on the top I'm just going to make with the small hairy details. Single strands of hair should be made, not a continuous straight hairs, so it should be little curly even. And yeah, so this is how this gets made, and I'll be just making again after the sketch is done. And after the sketch is made, next process is going to be the paper wetting technique. So I'm just spraying with a spray bottle. I'm just spraying water all over the paper and spreading it. So this process should be done before making the cloud, so the paint will spread so beautifully. You can see that process. And after this paint the paper spraying is done, so I just go a regular wash with my flat brush. So any flat brush will be very fine. So next is going to be creating the background of the form and also the sky. So firstly, focusing on the form, I'm using the Van Dyck brown and burnt umber, so both the colors. So the burnt umber will be on the top and Van Dyck brown on the base. So also a bit of little black and Van Dyck brown mixed together to make the form base. So I'm just making to the horizon line. So I have just made the horizon line just where the form ends, you can see. And next is going to be building of the colorful sky. So to make this sky base, I'm just picking up my yellow. So cadmium yellow will be perfect, and with that cadmium yellow I'm just giving a base. So this should be a light wash of the color and spread all over the sky. Here I'm just going to use with making the clouds. The brush is more brush, and I'm using cadmium yellow medium hue color. I'm just dropping just with a little dab, and the brush should be a little moist. And with that I'm just creating the effect of dabbing to create the clouds, so they are very fluffy clouds. And we should not make it straight, this should be done like alongside and in a slanting way on both sides of the paper. So I'm just focusing now, creating it just behind the hearts. So this should be done completely with a cadmium yellow medium hue. So I'm just lifting all the paints just above the paper, and next is going to be with cadmium orange hue. So I'm little bit dropping it, not completely over all the areas on yellow. dropping it on the sides, not completely, and it should be just above the clouds of the yellows. So same way as should be done on both the sides. So you can make it like with the tip of the brush and little sparks all over. So next is going to be with Mia red. So this you can just go with the scarlet or primary red. Here, as the paper has become wet on the top, I'm just reapplying with the water with the light wash is enough. After wetting, I'm using the pyrrole crimson color to make this beautiful clouds. So on the top, the brightness of the sunlight will be little lesser, so that place is goes with pyrrole crimson and violet shades. So for the violet, I'm using manganese violet. So this is a bit lighter version, so just dropping all the colors here and there to make it fluffy, and over that to make some darker parts I'm using dioxin violet. So you can just go with some darker shades of violet if dioxin violet isn't available. So I'm again here applying, just make little drops all over here and there, and just correcting like with the blending techniques. And next is going to be correcting it with little darker ranges of the color, so applying with kind of oranges on the sides. To make the sun, I'm here using the titanium white with the in the center. So this base will produce the sunset effect, and around and with the lemon yellow I'm just making little clouds here and there straight away on the sides to make it. Here in the base it's completely dry, and to make it little darker I'm just starting on the top with the cadmium orange hue or pond's hue, so that's like kind of a vermilion shade. So I'm just going to make blend with a normal cadmium orange and vermilion, and in the base I just go with a Van Dyck brown and burnt umber, both the colors. Here I'm just going to make the silhouette of her. So firstly I'm taking my black and just applying all over the sketch we have done. So this should be completely spread all over with the black color or Payne's gray, any color is enough. So we are making with a base layer, because this is how it is not going to be completely black, and it will be on the sides, that's facing the sun, should be with kind of a lighter mix using brown, also the orange. So I'm not going to completely make the black. As initially I have just gone with a light wash of black all over the horse, so that's become little lighter after drying. So I'm just reapplying with a black color to make it completely black. On the base here in the grass fields, I'm just making with the grasses, so it can just start with a lighter to the lengthier longer shades and shapes. So for the color I'm just going to use sepia and burnt umber and black. So black should be a little in the front side and the brown should be near the horizontal line, just near the sun. So very near to the sun is going to be kind of a cadmium yellow medium hue grasses, and in the mid it's going to be kind of earth yellow or a burnt umber mix. So just like in just near the hearts it's going to be completely black and burnt umber and sepia. So all these are the colors that I'm using here for making the grasses, and here and there I'll be applying just one or two with the whites to make the shine effect on the grass fields. So yeah, let's see. So the painting is completely done, and here we are going to just peel off the masking tape on all the sides and see the end result. Hope you all enjoyed and loved this video and the painting process. So if done, just share your reviews how you felt with this video, and comment and like, subscribe, support my channel. Thank you.